Hey, have you used project management software before?
Yes, it's a great tool for managing projects effectively. Project management software helps you plan, organize, and track tasks and resources.
What are the top 10 project management software?
Some of the most popular ones include Trello, Asana, Basecamp, Wrike, and Monday.com. Each has its own unique features and benefits.
What is PMP in SAP?
PMP stands for Project Management Professional. It's a certification that demonstrates your knowledge and skills in project management. SAP is a software company that offers various project management tools.
What are the 4 types of project management?
The 4 types are Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, and Kanban. Each has its own approach to managing projects and is suited for different types of projects.
Is Excel a PM tool?
Excel can be used as a basic project management tool, but it's not designed specifically for that purpose. It lacks some of the advanced features of dedicated project management software.
What is Jira used for?
Jira is a popular project management tool that is used for issue tracking, bug tracking, and project management. It's especially useful for software development projects.
What are the 5 PMP processes?
The 5 processes are initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. These processes are used to manage projects from start to finish.
What are the 4 C's in project management?
The 4 C's are communication, coordination, cooperation, and collaboration. These are essential skills for project managers to have to ensure successful project completion.
What is Agile in PMP?
Agile is an approach to project management that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. It's often used in software development projects.
What are the MS project tools?
Microsoft Project is a popular project management software that offers tools for scheduling, resource management, and reporting. It's designed for large and complex projects.
What is PMP and PMO?
PMP stands for Project Management Professional, while PMO stands for Project Management Office. PMP is a certification for project managers, while PMO is a department or group within an organization that oversees and manages projects.
Who uses PMP?
PMP is used by project managers, team leaders, and other professionals who are involved in managing projects. It's a globally recognized certification that demonstrates your expertise in project management.
What are project management skills?
Project management skills include planning, organizing, scheduling, budgeting, risk management, communication, and leadership. These skills are essential for managing projects effectively.
What are the 2 types of software projects?
The 2 types are product-based and service-based projects. Product-based projects are focused on creating a new product, while service-based projects are focused on delivering a service to customers.
What are the 2 main types of software project management?
The 2 main types are Waterfall and Agile. Waterfall is a traditional approach that follows a linear sequence of phases, while Agile is a flexible approach that emphasizes collaboration and adaptability.
What is Jira full form?
Jira doesn't have a full form. It's simply a name that was chosen by the software company that created it.
Is Agile a PM tool?
Agile is not a PM tool, but it's an approach to project management that can be used with various tools, such as Jira or Trello.
Why is PMP used?
PMP is used to demonstrate your knowledge and skills in project management. It's a globally recognized certification that can help you advance your career and increase your earning potential.
What is PMO role in SAP?
The PMO, Project Management Office, in SAP is responsible for overseeing and managing projects within the organization. They provide guidance and support to project managers and ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget.